Creating a Zen garden. Tips for cultivating tranquility and balance. Welcome to Plant Care, where we explore the world of gardening and plant care to create a peaceful and harmonious environment. In this video, we will show you how to transform your backyard into a serene oasis of tranquility with a Zen garden. From choosing the right plants to incorporating elements like rocks and sand, we'll guide you through creating a space that promotes mindfulness and balance. Discover the art of minimalism in garden design and learn how to cultivate a space for meditation. Stay tuned for expert tips and tricks to enhance your garden and bring a sense of calm to your outdoor space. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more inspiring content on plant care and gardening. Let's create a Zen-filled world together. Thank you for watching. Transform your backyard into a serene oasis of calm. One way to transform your backyard into a serene oasis of calm is by incorporating elements of nature. Consider adding a variety of plants, such as lush greenery, colorful flowers, and soothing herbs, to create a sense of tranquility. Plants not only enhance the visual appeal of your garden but also contribute to a peaceful atmosphere through their natural beauty and ability to reduce stress. Additionally, the sound of rustling leaves, chirping birds, and trickling water can further evoke a sense of calmness. Incorporating water features, such as a small pond, fountain, or bird bath, can enhance the peaceful ambiance of your backyard oasis. Water elements have a natural calming effect and can help drown out unwanted noise, creating a relaxing environment for meditation or quiet reflection. The gentle movement and soothing sounds of water can also add a sense of harmony to your garden space, encouraging relaxation and mindfulness. Another way to create a serene oasis in your backyard is by designing comfortable seating areas where you can relax and unwind. Consider adding cozy benches, hammocks, or outdoor lounge chairs strategically placed to take advantage of the soothing views and natural surroundings. Creating designated spaces for relaxation and contemplation can help you fully immerse yourself in the peaceful atmosphere of your garden, allowing you to disconnect from the stresses of everyday life and focus on finding inner balance. Furthermore, incorporating natural elements such as stones, gravel pathways, and wooden accents can add texture and visual interest to your backyard oasis while maintaining a sense of tranquility. These materials not only blend seamlessly with the natural environment but also provide a sense of grounding and stability, mirroring the peaceful and harmonious qualities of a traditional Zen garden. By combining these elements thoughtfully and intentionally, you can transform your backyard into a serene sanctuary that nourishes both the body and the soul. Choose the right plants to enhance the Zen vibes. When selecting plants to enhance the Zen vibes in your garden, it is essential to consider various factors such as color, texture, and form. Opt for plants with calming hues like greens, blues, and purples, which can evoke a sense of tranquility and relaxation. Variegated foliage and plants with interesting textures can add visual interest while maintaining a harmonious balance within the space. Bamboo, ornamental grasses, and ferns are excellent choices for creating a serene atmosphere in a Zen garden due to their elegant forms and gentle movements in the breeze. Incorporating aromatic plants into your garden can further enhance the Zen vibes by engaging the sense of smell. Fragrant herbs like lavender, rosemary, and mint not only add a pleasant aroma to the garden but also have calming properties that can promote relaxation and mindfulness. The scent of these plants can help create a sensory experience that reinforces the peaceful ambiance of a Zen garden, making it a soothing retreat for meditation and contemplation. Consider adding elements of symbolism and meaning through the selection of plants in your garden. In a Zen garden, each plant can hold significance and contribute to the overall theme of tranquility and balance. For example, the Japanese maple tree symbolizes peace and serenity, while cherry blossoms represent the fleeting nature of life. By incorporating plants with symbolic value, you can create a garden that not only looks beautiful but also tells a story and evokes emotional connections, enhancing the Zen experience for both you and your guests. Furthermore, incorporating evergreen plants in your garden can help maintain the Zen vibes year-round by providing structure and continuity to the space. Evergreens like boxwood, yew, and juniper offer a sense of permanence and stability, anchoring the garden and ensuring that it retains its soothing aesthetic in every season. These plants also require minimal maintenance, allowing you to focus on enjoying the peaceful atmosphere of your Zen garden without constant upkeep. Incorporate elements like rocks and sand for a harmonious balance. Rocks and sand are essential elements in creating a harmonious balance in a Zen garden. Rocks are often used to symbolize mountains or islands and can represent stability, strength, and longevity in the garden. When strategically placed, rocks can help define the layout of the garden, create focal points, and establish a sense of natural order. Japanese garden design principles, such as the use of the island or boat rock arrangements, aim to evoke a tranquil scene in nature and reinforce the Zen philosophy of simplicity and harmony. In addition to rocks, sand is another fundamental element used to evoke a sense of calm and simplicity in Zen gardens. Raked sand, also known as kare sansui, is commonly found in Zen rock gardens and represents the flow of water, waves, or ripples in a pond or sea. The act of raking the sand is considered a meditative practice that promotes mindfulness and focus, allowing individuals to cultivate a sense of inner peace and harmony while tending to the garden. Combining rocks and sand in a Zen garden not only creates a peaceful aesthetic but also encourages contemplation and reflection. The contrast between the solidity of rocks and the fluidity of sand symbolizes the dynamic interplay between stillness and movement, yin and yang, in the natural world. This balance of opposites reflects the core principles of Zen philosophy and invites individuals to pause, observe, and connect with the present moment as they navigate the intricate patterns and textures within the garden. Moreover, rocks and sand can be arranged in various patterns and styles to convey specific meanings or evoke different landscapes. Whether creating a minimalist rock garden or a more elaborate composition with symbolic motifs, the careful placement of rocks and the meticulous raking of sand can transform a Zen garden into a serene sanctuary that inspires contemplation, mindfulness, and a profound sense of harmony with nature. Discover the art of minimalism in your garden design. Embracing the art of minimalism in your garden design can enhance the overall tranquility and aesthetic appeal of your outdoor space. Minimalist garden designs prioritize simplicity, clean lines, and open spaces, allowing for a sense of clarity and calmness to permeate the environment. By eliminating clutter and unnecessary ornamentation, minimalism emphasizes the beauty of essential elements such as stones, plants, and water features, creating a harmonious and peaceful atmosphere that promotes relaxation and mindfulness. Incorporating a limited color palette and restrained selection of plant species can further accentuate the minimalist aesthetic in your garden. By focusing on a few key plants with subtle hues and textures, you can create a cohesive and understated look that exudes elegance and sophistication. The deliberate use of negative space, such as empty areas of soil or gravel, plays a crucial role in minimalist garden design by emphasizing the importance of balance, proportion, and simplicity in the overall composition. Moreover, the principles of minimalism in garden design can be traced back to traditional Japanese and Zen gardens, where simplicity, restraint, and precision are valued as a means of expressing profound beauty and tranquility. Japanese garden design often incorporates elements such as gravel, rocks, and carefully pruned plants to create a serene and contemplative environment that fosters a deep connection to nature and the surrounding landscape. By drawing inspiration from these timeless traditions, you can infuse your garden with a sense of timelessness and serenity that transcends fleeting trends and fads. By embracing the essence of minimalism in your garden design, you can create a space that not only looks visually appealing but also provides a sanctuary for relaxation, contemplation, and rejuvenation. The deliberate use of simple yet meaningful elements, thoughtful decluttering, and attention to detail can transform your garden into a place of quiet beauty and introspection, inviting you to slow down, savor the present moment, and immerse yourself in the tranquility of nature. Learn how to create a space for meditation and mindfulness. Creating a dedicated space for meditation and mindfulness in your garden can significantly enhance your overall well-being and connection to nature. Designing a tranquil meditation area allows you to establish a sanctuary for self-reflection, relaxation, and spiritual practice right in the comfort of your outdoor space. Incorporating elements such as comfortable seating, soft lighting, and natural materials can contribute to a soothing atmosphere that encourages mindfulness and introspection. One of the key components of a meditation space is choosing the right location within your garden. Selecting a quiet and secluded spot away from distractions and noise can help you create a peaceful and serene environment conducive to deep relaxation and mental focus. Integrating elements of nature, such as trees, plants, and water features, can further enhance the calming effect of your meditation area, providing a sense of connection to the natural world and promoting a feeling of harmony and balance. Moreover, the design of a meditation space can be tailored to reflect your personal style and preferences, allowing you to create a space that resonates with your individual needs and aesthetic sensibilities. Whether you prefer a minimalist and contemporary design or a more natural and organic look, incorporating elements that speak to your sense of calm and inner peace is essential for cultivating a meditative environment that supports mindfulness and spiritual growth. By investing time and effort in creating a space for meditation and mindfulness in your garden, you can establish a daily practice of quiet contemplation and self-care that can have profound benefits for your mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Taking the time to design and cultivate a meditation area not only enhances the beauty of your outdoor space but also provides you with a sacred retreat where you can nurture your inner peace, recharge your spirit, and cultivate a deeper connection to yourself and the world around you. Creating a Zen garden. Tips for cultivating tranquility and balance. Explore the beauty of Zen gardening with plant care. Dive into the world of tranquility and balance by transforming your backyard into a serene oasis. Don't miss out on our expert tips for creating a mindful space. Subscribe now to nurture your green thumb and harmonize your outdoor sanctuary. Let's cultivate peace and serenity together.